All right, folks, so today we're going to take a look at how to get feedback on your website, your WordPress websites, your WA hosted websites. If you're not a member of WA, you can get a free account in the link in the video description below. You get a free membership, free training, free websites. You don't even need a credit card to sign up. It's really cool. Check that out. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Be notified of anytime I have new videos coming out, and the notification bell as well. I make videos about making money online, things like that. Here's my channel right here. So yeah, take a look at that, subscribe, and let's get into getting feedback on your website. All right, so once you have a WA account, that's Wealthy Affiliate, we have a thing over here called websites, and you just go to feedback, and then you can request feedback. You can offer feedback to sites, and there's different ways to get credits on here to get points for feedback. One way is to offer feedback on other people's sites, but right now we're just going to focus on getting feedback. This is some feedback I got on my sites. So you just basically hit request feedback. You hit the URL that you want to get feedback on. And then you say feedback on the content, feedback on the site design, feedback on the layout of the page, feedback on the use of images and media, or just general feedback. You just select one of those. Let's just hit general feedback. Did not hit a URL at the moment. And then you can get as many requests here as you want, 9, depending on how many credits you have. And then you just hit preview your requests. It'll pop up over here, and you're good to go. So there's a URL, general feedback, pre my request. I'm not actually going to send the request in, but it'll show you the preview. And then afterwards, people will give you feedback. Other members of the community here. There's a huge community inside Wealthy Affiliate. So that's my page I want to get the feedback on. And getting the feedback is very good for, so you're basically like proofreading kind of thing, making sure that your site is working properly. It's because when you're making your own sites, sometimes you kind of don't realize certain things, like maybe the font's too small, maybe this is too big, maybe that's this way or that way, maybe you have whatever. It's like so getting feedback is very good, especially when you're a beginner on your sites. So that's how you do it. So pretty cool. That is all for today. Don't forget to check out my other videos, subscribe to the channel, and like I said, get a free account for here, and a link in the video description below. And that is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.